In this lesson, we will work with validation and cleaning tools. The Mesh Validation Tool. This tool checks for duplicate points, open sections, incorrect edges, connections and self-intersecting triangles in the mesh. To validate, select the mesh and check for validity. After validation, a special layer is created, where displays errors in the mesh. If the wireframe is valid, the created layer remains empty. In this case, our mesh is valid, so there are no errors in this layer. Let's delete this layer for now. Let's move this object here. From these contours, let's create another object. Check it for validness. So, validation reveals errors. There are open sections. Let's hide this layer. Hide polylines too. We see these polylines. That show that these parts of the object are open. The next button is for mesh cleaning. Mesh cleaning merges points that are too close, removes self-intersecting triangles and incorrect edges. To clean the mesh, select it and press this button. Now it's cleaned. Let's validate it again. Open sections still exist, but the line that was here disappeared. So, by using the mesh cleaning tool, we've removed those incorrect edges.